Hello, YouTube followers. Today I'm going to talk about motivation, meditation, and inspiration. If it's not one of the three, I don't want it. So my story for today is about being prepared. Um, so today I happen to have a flat on my car, and they pulled a spare from underneath my car to be able to utilize. And when I noticed that I was utilizing the spare, it made me think about, how can we in life sometimes utilize spares? Like in this case, it happens to be a spare tire, but in other cases, it might be a spare friend, a spare companion, a spare, lots of different things. So if we look at ourselves and we remember to be prepared, then we can utilize the beauty that we have in this universe that is reflected from the inside outwards. That's why meditation is so important, because it helps you to understand that you have a spare person, that person that's inside of you, and that the external is just a reflection of how you feel about yourself on the inside. Next, I'm going to talk about meditation. So, getting to know yourself is a really great thing. The lessons that you've learned inside are very special and they're like gold. So, as you start to know yourself, it's almost like as if you had a spare tire, because what you might think on the top might not be actually what's going on inside. So sometimes we think that we're right when we're actually the ones that have the lesson to learn from. So through meditation, we can go back and relive the experience that we had and gain the knowledge of the full perspective of what not just we thought, but what other people thought at the same exact situation. As we utilize the intelligence of the knowledge that we have inside of ourselves, through utilizing the breath to revisit the situation, we actually start to grow from within. And that is the reason why the reflection on the outside comes from inside you. So that's how the beauty actually on the inside starts to grow. So essentially, your breath becomes that spare tire. And it actually teaches you how to become best friends with yourself and to be prepared to understand the situations that you have actually been through, because they're all important. So lastly, I'm going to talk about inspiration. So when you see the spare, and you know, a lot of times you might have that one friend or that one person who you need to bring up. Remember that sometimes that can be the spare tire. And that if we utilize the things that we have and we put them in a beautiful place, then sometimes we're going to have those spare tires and they're going to be there for you when you need them. So believe in yourself, believe in the things that you do, and know that the beauty comes from within you, and the external is nothing more than a reflection of how you feel about yourself on the inside. Now, I do hope that you all have a blessed day and night, as well as namaste.